Hey everybody, this is Albert Corey from Corner Associates Accounting and Small Business. I'm doing one of my crazy things where I'm going live in the two Grant Cardone ambassador groups. My name's Albert Corey from Corner Associates Accounting and Small Business, where every day we come on and we ask the questions to make sure you get the best possible refund. You pay less to the IRS and will help you build your business. We have 3,700 locations in the United States. It's called the UPS stores. And, well, if anybody wants to come live, everybody's always welcome. Anybody wants to come live, you can always come live. I'm live on both feeds. So if you want to come on, just give me some hearts and give me some love, and we'll add you on. Well, today I have a couple of things to talk about. The end of the season is coming, and the topic of this today is the IRS will pay for your rent. That's right, the IRS. Corey, if you want to come on, Miss Corn Ellis, if you want to come on, everybody's always welcome to come on in my groups, guys. So if you're welcome, everybody's welcome. Sharing is caring. So if you want to come on, you're coming on. I got two groups going on together, but it won't matter. So Mr. Sheen just came on the official group. So anyway, so today we're going to talk about how the IRS will pay for the rent of your apartment. That's right. The IRS will pay for the rent for your apartment. That's right. If you work out of your house, the IRS says it's a small business. That's right. So if you work out of your house, it's your small business. So now that's pretty cool. So now if you rent, you can take the square footage of your apartment that's considered rent, which is usually about 30% of the rent. So you could probably pay 30% of the rent, 30% of the electric, you pay parking, 30% of the parking, water, gas, garbage. That's all deductible. That all can come off the top. If you own a house, it's going to be almost the same thing going forward this year because the standard deduction stuff is so high. The standard is so high. So, by the way, Miss Corey, if you want to come on, let's see just how this works. If you want to come on, everybody's always welcome to come on. Sharing is caring. Let me see, this is working here. So sharing is caring. So you can deduct your house, apartment rent, water, garbage, electric. If you live in a condo, maintenance on your condo, any repairs. Yesterday I had an awesome, funny, I thought that was a funny meme. I had a funny meme yesterday that I thought it was funny, where I had a broken toilet. The broken toilet obviously could have been a tax deduction. So there's a bunch of things you can deduct. So why should you let the IRS pay for, you pay less in your taxes, guys. That's the name of the game. You need to pay less in your tax. Okay, and that's what I do. I've been doing it since 1985. It's so funny. Here, let me put music on, I didn't put any music on today. What do we put? So we should put Christmas music or should we put the other? So, so you got to get to pay less to the IRS. And we've been doing it since 1985. Dude, today, how, we want to do listening songs. Let's listen to Christmas because it's Christmas time. And that's what.
The sea of body lotions.
Sorry, we don't want to hear the ad. So you got to, so those are the deductions you can take. Guess what though? If you think that if the average person spends on a 2-bedroom or even a 1-bedroom apartment, your average bill, your bills, even if you have a 12. You're probably looking to deduct $7,000-8,000, between $6,000 or $7,000. Off of. Let's listen to some music. All I'm on for Christmas. Mr. Andrew, I like this better. This is so much cool. By the way, I'm also doing an experiment, doing it off of a tablet that I have. And by the way, doing it off the tablet is like so much better than doing it off my phone. But I just learned something today. But we're doing it in both groups just to test it out. So now that's probably, guess what though? You could probably have a home office, at least probably $3,000 to $6,000 deducted off of your tax bill. What do you want for Christmas in your business? Okay, what do you want? I want my business. What I want for my Christmas is to meet more awesome clients. I want to meet. Yesterday I had an awesome time meeting Mike from the official group. The funny thing is, after meeting Mike, how we live in a small world. Mike taught my daughter in high school about 10 years ago, and we connected, which I thought was pretty funny. I thought was pretty funny. So, what I want for Christmas, my Christmas gift for my business is I want to go out and meet a bunch of people below. Go out and put what your goals are, what you want to do. Probably another thing I'm going to talk about real quick, unless somebody wants to come on and ask some questions. Anybody could come on and ask questions. Mr. Lewis, what's up? What's up? Let me see if Andy wants to come on. Trying this here. Mr. Manny's up. See, Manny wants to come on. This is pretty cool, man. You can invite. I like doing my tablet better. I just learned something better today. Do the lives on a tablet. It's a whole much quicker and easier to deal with. I can see who's coming on as opposed to my phone. So, so what I want for Christmas, I want to meet more awesome people. I want more awesome people to come on and do lives with me. I want to meet more awesome people because I think the more that you connect, with the more people that you connect with, the more you're going to grow your business, and not necessarily always financially. The more people you connect with, the more you're going to collaborate, the more you're going to find some awesome ideas. When I was talking with Mike yesterday, he gave me we were going back and forth, and he gave me some pretty cool ideas on kind of who I should be going after for my business explosion for next summer. Which I thought was pretty cool. I learned a lot from him. I also taught him some pretty cool tricks. Like one of them is, if you got a corporation, guys, you need to pay the renewal every single year, even if you don't think you're going to use it, because you want to show the world you've been in business a lot longer. You want to show the business you're in business a lot longer. That's kind of what it is. You want to show the business a lot longer, so that will help you. So if somebody says how long you've been, like me, I've been doing it since 1985, but I've only been incorporated since 2000. What's this one? 98 maybe, 95, something like that. But so people can go check to see that you've been online and you've been there. So that's a couple of the other things. Something else I was going to talk about today is after listening to the call yesterday is what do you want people to view you as? I want people to view me as the best tax person, Jingle bells, I love this song. I want people to view me as the best tax guy, small business tax guy out there. There's nobody out there who does that. I want people to view me. Hi, Miss Monica. Hi, Mr. Monte. Anybody wants to come on? Mr. Lewis, Mr. Richard Lewis. Richard's a cool guy. Why you got to go do events, guys, and hang out with people? Mr. Richard Leva, I met last Monday. We went to Benihana's in Coral Gables. He sells like $1 million. If you need a condo in the North Miami, Aventura, South Broward, North Dade area, Mr. Richard will get you the most awesome condo, the awesome deal. He knows the area. If anybody wants to come on and say, hey, wants to come on and say, hey, however, Richard's a cool dude. Awesome. Thanks, Richard, for hanging out with me last week. Hope I can always help you. So anyway, so I want people to know me as the number one tax guy, the number one person. You want to build your business, dude. I have the most awesome ninja tricks. I mean, I'm an awesome business coach because I built my store in 1985 from zero to we did over 70,000 returns. So I know how to get you there. I found some pretty cool tricks. My latest trick, actually some of the coolest tricks is text magic, where I don't give out business cards. I give a text number that we send out business cards and information, and now I collected it. And if you're trying to get traffic to our website, I found this pretty cool program called Smash Balloon, which sends like Instagram pictures to your WordPress site every day. So anyways, guys, this is Albert Corey from Coin Associates Accounting and Small Business. If anybody has any questions, comments, anybody has any questions or comments?
It's simple.
Man, this guy has way too many commercials.
The education and success that I attribute to both my hard work.
Oops, let me get better commercials. Oh, thanks, Kenneth. Thanks to 10X Group. Let me put some from entrepreneur music on, dude.
It's simple. You are at the center of everything we do.
The education and success.
And so many commercials today, guys. Sorry. By the way, why, I put the song on. I guess that's not the one I want to do. I like this one, Jordan Sparks. One step at a time. That's cool. Because every day you got to take that one step, guys. I take that one step forward every day. I come on every day. I pound every day. I'm like, going out and talking to people, whether virtual, whether live. I'm trying to meet other people. That's kind of what I like to do. I'm here every day. All right. So that's it for today, guys. If anybody wants to come on, anybody has any questions or comments, I'm here every day. I think we're going to be here every day in my office because I do a bunch of stuff. We got, we're getting ready for Showtime. Showtime is in 2 weeks, baby, before the 34th edition of Coin Associates comes live. I'm always trying new things, and like one of the new things I found out today is to use these tablets. Tablets are awesome way. It's almost better. To tell you the truth, I might even go buy another one of these tablets. Because these tablets are a whole lot better. I can see who my live viewers are than my phone. So, but you can't do dual. By the way, my name's Albert Corey. I'm going live. One of my new ninja tricks. I'm coming live on the official 10X group, and I'm live on the ambassador group simultaneously. Well, guys, I do got to go back to work. I have a live office. Anybody any questions or comments? You always can put a message below or hit a direct message, and in a few minutes, I will if you want to have some cool tips or tricks, how to build your business, dial 305-851-7087, and we got and type the word tax, and you can rock and roll, guys. I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Bye-bye.